Hello, I am Harshal Patil, and for the final deliverable for CS7 GV6 individual project, I have added a 3D twist to the old Atari bowling game, and for that I have created three models, 3D models. The first one is the bowling ball, the second one is the bowling lane, and the third one is the bowling pin. Now, the bowling pin, I have created a set of bowling pins. There is a only so there are total 10 bowling pins in the scene, one bowling ball and one bowling lane. Now for the camera, I have implemented perspective view and orthographic view. So currently the scene that we are seeing is in the perspective view. Now to change from perspective to orthographic view, we have to press the key P, and if I press the key P, it changes to orthographic view. And if I want to change it back to perspective view, we have to press the key Q. Now to traverse through the scene, you can use the arrow keys to traverse through the scene and use the mouse as a direction. And as you can see, I'm traversing through the scene using my mouse and arrow keys. And I have used the lighting source as a directional source. And for the reflection, I have used Phong reflection in the scene. Now for the model translations, I have translated my bowling ball and my bowling pins. And bowling ball traverses in the negative z-axis direction and positive and negative x-axis directions. So if I press the key A, it translates to the left, and if I press the key D, it translates to the right. And if you want to reset the ball position, we can press the key R, because R key resets the whole scene to its original position. Now, to translate in the negative z-axis direction, I have kept the key as spacebar, and if I reset it and press the spacebar, it will move in the negative z-axis direction, which is the forward direction. And if it hits the pins translate above. Let's reset the scene again, and if I don't hit anything, then the ball just goes away, as you can see. Now I have implemented collision detection using the point distance between my pin and my bowling ball. So if the point distance between my pin and bowling ball is less than 0.25, then I am saying that the collision has happened and the whole scene translates above. So if my bowling ball hits the middle pin, then the all of the pins translate above, because in the bowling pin set, I have kept my first bowling pin, which is the middle one, as my parent, and the rest of the 9 pins are my child pins to my parent pin. Now, if I hit the parent pin, let's see, all of the pins translate above. Now I'm resetting it again, and let's hit some other pin then other than the middle first pin. So this pin has translated. Now to see the hierarchical transformations, if I hit the middle pin again, all of the pins should move above, including the one that is already hit. So as you can see, if I hit the middle pin, then all other pins translate above, and the one that is already hit also translates slightly above the scene. Now if I reset back to the original position, you can again translate and hit some other pin and reset it back. If you hit the middle pin, then all of the pins translate above. So that is the game that I have developed, and thank you.